Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. With a 14 by 14 inch canvas and some Meeden black paint that is obviously clogged. Good thing I have two bottles handy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do my edges, at least twice. And maybe more. Come on out. The reason I wasn't using this bottle is it was almost empty. And it'll probably make a mess in a second. So I'm going to go whoop. Same thing over here. And then I will use some Chantilly lace in the center and put my colors down, which in this case, being it's a swipe and I've done a successful turquoise version and a successful red version, I am kind of chomping at the bit to do a purples version. I don't mind if there's some spare paint on the canvas. I am going to try, you know what, I'm going to facilitate time because I am a little late in the day and I can hear that dinner is almost ready in the kitchen. And I'm going to pull the threads out, seems like a good idea to me, and put my Chantilly lace right down in the center. And think that that is probably enough. I can hope so. I'm going to grab an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, my favorite tool of choice for spreading paint, and it is on my Amazon link. My Amazon link is under Show More. That is some pretty thick, very heavy, slow moving paint. So I think I'm going to aid, I'm going to facilitate the motion and spread some. I don't believe it makes any difference if there's some black in there at all, because it's not about the white or the black. Those are just colors that are going to help. Yeah, right, colors. They're just colors that are going to help everything else move. I'm going to use a bunch of Mayan gold. Move right in with the African violet, which is an awesome color. Probably going to go from both sides. I want a little bit of northern sky. And I'm going to learn to open those bottle tops. Come on. Got to take the little tab off the top that dries in between. I've got Twilight Orchid, which is an awesome, another awesome color. Might hit this with a little bit of pink diamond. It's Doggy 30, so you can hear my dogs barking in the background. I love that Twilight Orchid, what can I say? Royal Galaxy, I wonder if I should put a little bit of poinsettia in there, maybe not. Royal Galaxy is somewhere in between the Twilight Orchid and the Rose Violet that I'm going to use next. I want to sneak a little bit of blue velvet in there because it's so close to a purple shade, really, and I just mixed some. And I really don't think I can do any harm at all by putting a whole bunch of pink diamond, because it will obviously turn purple. It'll just be a pinky purple. Come on out. I have a tab. Whoa, okay, that was not the plan. It's there now. Oh well. So I have some Chrysicola, and I know for a fact that when you put the Chrysicola with the pink, you get a really beautiful color. I think I'm done with that. I wish I'd opened this bottle of Maiden paint. It can't take me too long to clean it out. It's probably just a poke away. I wish I could find out if it was clear. Yes, I can see daylight. I am going to use my Axo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula again, if I have this screwed on correctly. Let's do one side. Just use it to push it right up into that paint quite easily. Hopefully I have room to flip my turntable around and use my residuals on the other side. There's a fairly nice layer. Enough to like share with that much space. I think I'm going to use my Dioxazine Purple from Hobby Lobby, which is a Master's Touch brand. Has a cell activator, but also probably with that I have some gold. It's both of them are added to Aussie Floetrol. Fill in. Yes. Alright, I'm going to knock that spatula right off. Wipe it off. Don't know why. Maybe because I'm using the purple and the gold. There's the purple. The gold is golden iridescent gold in a fluid. And to it I added Decor Americana 24 karat gold because I wanted something to be slightly heavier. I think I'm going to go from the side that is obviously wider. I want to blow that into position. Why do I want to do that so badly? I just don't want any gaps. Do I want one more pass? Kind of do. Not sure you can have too much purple at this point in time. Did I put any of the Frozen in? I kind of want to. I think I put Northern Sky in. I don't think I put Frozen in. But blue and pink will make purple, so alright, I want to make sure I have this on the correct side. I'm going to go from the center. If I make a stripe pattern, so be it. I think I want a scrape dish to facilitate using my colors if I want them again on the side. I kind of want to do some white, but I like the purple, so I guess I better stick with what I started with. And I gotta remember, I don't mind the black background, so if I decide to leave some, that's not the end of the world. Alright, so I am here. Like in you are here. You're here too. I'm a little weird. It's getting late. Yeah, I'm doing it. Start with the gold this time. Try it in reverse. I have to make some pink cell activator. I just do. I think that would be the bomb. Yes, I purposely went outside my straight line because I just thought it would be more interesting. Well, I definitely like the gold last. Let's scrape that off first. And I don't think the pink hurt anything because I'm not seeing much of it. So if I do this again, I'll do one that's more pink and purple. Now I'll just do what I was doing. You know, I've never tipped one of these yet, but I do tend to run my spatula through. I don't want to destroy any nice cells, but I also like the way it looks when I break up the center. Someday I'll just pour everything I scrape off right back on. Kind of want some orange in there. I wonder how that would go. Oh, I'm liking the miscellaneous designs down the center. Yes, that'll fill back in. I'm not worried about it. If it drags some of the other color into that zone, it's okay with me too. I think I could have used a whole bunch more pink and more of that frozen, that electric blue. But by the same token, I am loving what I'm seeing, so I'm not complaining. This one is always a step to the next one, in my opinion anyway. I'm going to take my residuals on this side and put them right on the edge. I do use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my mixtures so that you can be sure if I have an opportunity to keep things from cracking, that would be the ticket. That's what keeps my paint from cracking when I leave it heavy. And it is a little heavy right now. I'm still working on getting used to the exact depth paint should be. I wonder if there are colors hidden under there. I think blowing through, oh yes, I like that. This is something I used to do a very long time ago. And very successfully. Oh, this is getting prettier by the minute. Wow. I'm not saying that I had to blow with a straw because I really think the truth is that it was going to just keep developing anyway. But since I didn't do it the last couple times I did this, I really wanted to see what it was going to look like. Kind of like that part of it's really dark and part of it's really lighter purple. That's lovely. And I'm going to take some of my dark paint and put it right over here because that's distracting me. That white spot. And look at that. That's a beauty. Alright, I love you guys. I hope you come again. I'll wait and do that after. I'm going to torch now. So I want you guys to check my phone over here and shimmer this at you and do a close-up. I'm really happy I decided to do the purples version. I'm noticing which colors I like that are highlighting things in here, and I will be modifying my next version of this to include more of them. Look at those cells. Beautiful cells. I see one little spot that's going to bug me if I don't change it. There. I like that better. Okay, so I will be... Wow, a naked spot. That's amazing. I can't believe anything could stay naked after all that. Hopefully you can see some of that. That is some gorgeous shimmer. Wicked, wicked, wicked sparkly. I love how that frozen came through in the middle. I was so right to go back and add a little bit more of that. Woohoo! I'm not even sure a little bonfire, which is very coppery red, wouldn't have... maybe purple and bonfire. That would be awesome. This just makes me want to do more. So there's a nice series of these going. And I sold the first one I did. And I almost sold the second one, but can't get over this. I'm in love. I think a little more pink. I want to put pink in right there. Maybe I should just control myself. Do another painting. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. And I do sell my artwork, and it would be very helpful to do so. So if you like what I do, don't forget the thumbs up. Oh, the cells are just developing just so pretty. Look at those cells. Thank you for watching. Please know your thumbs up are very appreciated. For inquiries to purchase my artwork, please use my email address. It's EASPB the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. To purchase my books, use my Amazon link. Please subscribe. Make sure to choose all when you click the bell. Please check out my channel's playlists. They share a wide assortment of methods you might be interested in. Questions are always welcome. Don't be shy. Watching my videos longer is of great assistance. The channel survives with the help of channel memberships and PayPal donations. I'd like to express my great appreciation for everyone who helps support the channel. Please come again. Coupon codes are in the description under the video.